Okay, now we look at the example 9. So example 9, a proton is moving with a velocity of 3 exponent 5 meter per second vertically across a magnetic field of 0.02 Tesla, given mass of the proton and charge of the proton. So, kita tengok, the first one dia minta kinetic energy, the second one dia minta magnetic force, and the third one dia minta radius of the circular path. Okay, so we take out all the info. So info here we have the velocity, which is 3 exponent 5 meter per second. Then we have magnetic field 0.02 Tesla, and we have the mass of the proton and the charge of the proton. Okay, so mass of the proton 1.67 exponent negative 27 kilogram, and the charge is 1.60 exponent negative 19 coulomb. Okay, the first questions A, dia minta the kinetic energy. So we know that kinetic energy KE equals to half mv square. Okay, we just substitute the values. Half mass of the proton 1.67 negative 27, and the velocity is 3 exponent 5, and it is square. So ramai orang yang tertinggal square ni selalunya. So you calculate, you will get the kinetic energy is 7.52 exponent negative 17, and the unit for energy is joule. Right, it's very straightforward. And for B, the question asks the magnetic force. So magnetic force is FB equals to QVB sin theta. Okay, as we know, kalau charge masuk ke dalam uniform magnetic field, dia punya force, which is always 90 degree with the velocity, and the velocity, hence the theta akan jadi 90 degree. So this one akan jadi 1. Sin 90 is 1. So FB is equals to QVB. Q kita ada 1.60 exponent negative 19. Velocity is given, and B is 0.02. So kalau kamu tengok, sin 90 degree. Okay, so kita akan dapat 9.6 exponent negative 19. Unit for force is Newton. Okay, so that's for B. And for C, dia minta the radius of the circular path, and straightforward we use the equation for radius mv over bq. So mass is given 1.67 exponent negative 27. The velocity is 3 exponent 5 divided by the magnetic field 0.02, and the charge is 1.60 exponent negative 19. Alright, so kita kira kita akan dapat 0.16, and the unit for radius is meter. Okay, so that's for the example 9.